All right, so let's go through here. And first thing, we don't really need to worry about how this looks together, so I'm just going to get rid of that smaller one so we can just see. So let's look at our other characters that we can bring in here. We've got our dog. We've got our Alladon. We've got Marge. We've got a Brachiosaurus. All right, so first off, Marge. I don't know how to say the name of the dinosaur. I don't like the dinosaur. I'm going to delete that dinosaur. The dog, so cute, taken away from our T-Rex. So we'll turn off the dog just in case we want to bring him back. And then we've got these kind of long necks here. There's a lot of similarity between these two. So I'm going to get rid of Brock. So we just got our Alladon. Now, one of the things to look at, let's look here. We're going to turn off the T-Rex. I'm going to turn off Al and just look at the image as it is. So if we look at this, we can see that we've got these leading lines that kind of go back here. Then these kind of hills here, and then the kind of nice swoop up of the clouds. When we bring in our T-Rex, you can see the T-Rex really takes advantage of all that going in. But we've got a lot of empty space up here. There's a lot of interesting texture with these clouds. I don't really mind that. But we've got a lot of empty space up here. We could crop that down, or we could bring Al in here. Now, the problem with Al is they're both looking off, and that's kind of leading us off the page. So what I'd love to do is take out and flip him so that he looks like he's looking in the opposite direction. So that'll bring us, instead of us as viewers looking off of the screen, if I select Al, remember Command T to transform, I'm going to right click and then I'm just going to flip horizontal. Now if I look, we've got Al up here and we can just move him up around. Let's see how he looks. I like him, yeah, I think he looks good right there because he's kind of looking up. And then we've got our, kind of looks up here to our T-Rex. Our T-Rex is kind of in the background. There's a lot more contrast with Al here. And then we can kind of use all these clouds to maybe bring us back in. So I think that little addition is good. I don't think we need to have too much else here. Just move them just a little bit. We've got a nice kind of sense of connection with the hump of Alladon with his fin and all of these like bushes right here. So I think that's really nice. We might want to put something a little bit further back here if we want to, but for right now, let's go with this. The next thing we want to do is we just want to fine tune this. Just like we were fine tuning the T-Rex, we want to fine tune what happens with our Alladon, and we'll talk about that in just a second.